Ryan! Hi, I'm Beth Pusho, your trusted real estate salesperson here in Cebu, and I am now giving you a full tour in Park Place 2 of Pueblo de Oro here in Babag, Lapu-Lapu City. Let's go! This is the basketball court, and that's the children's playground. Look at the children, they are so happy playing. Check that out. Okay, so this is the clubhouse. And at the back of it is the swimming pool. Okay, very nice. So mangrove ang view niya. And then at a distance, you will see Siselex there at a distance. And that's the houses there. Beautiful. See? Okay. Now this time, I'd like to show you the model unit. And that's hazel. Okay? Kanang color, hazel na siya. Dalawang model unit na meron sila, hazel at saka Tanya. Si hazel, yung beige, yung color niya. At eto naman si Tanya. Si Tanya ay may gray. So, different lang ang color palette nila. But, all the rest are the same. As you see here, ito yung magiging parking mo. And let's try to check on the back view. Okay, so you will have a little space here. And here you can develop to be your dirty kitchen or your service area. Now, welcome to the model house Hazel of Park Place 2 here in Babag, Lapu-Lapu City. So, pagpasok mo, you will be greeted with the living area. So, this is dress-up unit. Kasi nga, model unit to. So, this will just give you an inspiration kung paano mo aayusin yung bahay mo kung makakuha ka na ng unit dito. And, of course, it will just depend on your creativity. Okay? Yan, pwede mo ilagay yung dining table mo. And, eto naman yung kitchen. Okay, tingnan mo yung kitchen. Alright, so, dito, may little room ka. So, pwede mo tong gawing home office, or pwede mong gawing storage, or guest room. So, depende lang po sa'yo. And then, ito naman yung toilet and bath dito sa ground floor, sa baba. So, you can just arrange it that way. Okay? And you can put your fridge there. So, akit tayo. Maganda yung yung stairs nila wooden, no? So, matibay. At medyo classy talaga siya. Okay. So, here upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms. This would be your bedroom 1. Okay. And this is the common toilet and bath dito sa taas. So, dalawang pintuan siya. Ayan. Dito. At saka, may access din siya from the master's bedroom. Okay? So, this is the master's bedroom. Check that out. Alright. And the master's bedroom has the access to the balcony. Okay, so andito na tayo sa balcony. So, sobrang presko dito, maaliwalas, no? Mahangin. At ayan, ang ganda ng view. Ayan, nakikita yung Siselex doon. Tsaka yung mountain view, no? Tsaka yung community. So, ito yung yung balcony na parang terrace na rin, na sobrang presko. So, pwede kang mag-barbecue dito, pwedeng magkape sa umaga. At imagine mo lang, no? Bago ka matulog, yan yung view makikita mo at presko. O kaya, pagkagising mo ng umaga, at ayan, may airplane na dumadaan. Hindi naman siya masyadong maingay pag nasa loob ka. So, ayan, imagine in the morning when you wake up, so ito yung view mo at magkape ka. So, sobrang ganda, ano? Okay? So, ayan, ito yung master's bedroom. At pwede mo ilagay yung TV dyan. At you can design it this way or you want the way that goes with your creativity. So, depende lang talaga sa style mo. Yung bedroom 3. Okay? May view din siya. Ang ganda, no? Well ventilated talaga. So, yun. Oh, eto na yung hinihintay mo, yung details. So, the total contract price for this property is 8.5 million. Reservation fee is 40,000 pesos. Your monthly equity for 15 months would be 25,747. And then, estimated for 20 years, monthly amortization is 62,700. Yung available lang po nila dito is spot cash or bank financing. So kung gusto mong tumira sa tahimik, maayos, maganda ang community, yung malapit sa Cebu City, at kaya naman po sa budget. So this property is for you. So there you have it. If you are interested, do not hesitate to message me. I would be glad to assist you. Dalian nyo, baka maubusan tayo. Alright, so this is Beth Busho, your trusted real estate salesperson here in Cebu. God bless everyone. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye!